Got some of that seasoned cod. I'm about to bake and fry. Sometimes I get the hash browns that's already chopped up, but I'm gonna try it with these this time. Got some of that baby spinach about to go on. Cook that real slow and low. I'll show you what to do with these hash browns. Some fried little corn. Them things beautiful right there though. Whip me up some Creole mayonnaise, Worcestershire, Cajun, little paprika, salt and pepper, mustard, Creole mayonnaise. Put it on the plate. I made it crispy. Hash brown. Chopped. Like that spinach right there. Put a little granite parmesan on it. Like that. Then hit it with the Creole mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna add the salmon fillet over the top. Get it with a few little parsley flakes. Put that lemon juice out there on it. Whip them things right on up. Out the oven. Filet mignon. Everything hot. Red snapper. Charbroil salmon. Yep. First thing you do is season your chicken breast like you like it, with your favorite seasonings. Got some rice going. You're steaming a little broccoli, but I ain't gonna cook it all the way. Cooking in olive oil. I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 minutes each side. Add my rice with some butter. Mix that all up with it until they golden brown on each side. I like that Panera bread, beef and cheddar, broccoli and cheddar. I'm gonna add a little chicken broth to my rice. That should be enough. Put a little salt and pepper, of course. Now I add the broccoli. And what I'm gonna do here is get that broccoli cheddar and pour it all around the chicken. All around the chicken like that. Chicken like that. I'm just gonna add some grated Parmesan to the top of the chicken like that. And then I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese. Around the whole size of it. I'm gonna throw that back in the oven for 15 minutes. Cornbread out, cooked nice and buttery. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got no name for this. I just be thinking up stuff. I ain't looked at nobody's recipe. It's just something that I think I might like. This is what it should look like when it come out the oven. Slice your chicken breast up and enjoy. Red snapper.